Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. No matter how old I get, there are a few games that I just still love to play. They're a total classic. This is one of them. Check out this 4 in a row board game from TENGTUng. So this is your classic Connect 4 style game. And this one is so beautiful because the board game and the pieces are made from wood and they are just so pretty. Not only is it beautiful, it's also great because everything folds up into itself. So it comes with its own box and it's great for travel as well. What I love about this game in particular is it's very simple to learn the rules. So you can play this with little ones, even little kids can learn the rules to this, and it teaches them strategy and it teaches them critical thinking while still being fun and interesting for the adult who's playing it with them as well. I really love to keep these classic board games around because no matter who you have over to your house, no matter what their age is, most people are going to know how to play this, and it always brings joy and a smile to your face. So if you're looking for a classic board game to keep on hand to play with little ones or with your friends or with your spouse, then this version from TENGTUng is awesome. I love that it is made from this beautiful high quality wood. I love that it folds into itself and is perfect for travel. It's lightweight, easy to take with you, and overall it's just an absolute delight to play. So I would definitely recommend this set, and that's my point of view.